Hi everyone, we're going to find the indicated term of each arithmetic sequence. We want to find the 12th term of these even numbers here. It's 2, 4, 6, and these are called line dots. Usually put the line dots when there's not a summation. If you added these, then, these would be called center dots, but these are called line dots. So just a little tidbit. So the first thing we need to know is the first term is 2, and my common difference is also 2. And I'm going to write a sub n, which in our case is 12. So a sub 12 equals our first term plus our number of terms, which is 12, minus 1, times my common difference, which is 2. So we get 2 plus 11 times 2, which equals 2 plus 22, which equals 24. The next one is the 8th term of this sequence. Oops, I forgot to put my line dots. And our first term is negative 1. The number of terms is 8. My common difference here is 2, because you can find that just looking at that. And so you just plug it in to get negative 1 plus 7 times 2, which equals negative 1 plus 14, which equals 13. The 10th term of this, so a is 1. Common difference is going to be negative 3. And we have 10 terms, so my n is 10. So a sub 10 equals 1 plus n, my n is 10, minus 1 times negative 3, which equals 1 plus 9 times negative 3, which equals 1 minus 27, which equals negative 26. Which is a lot faster doing it this way once you get used to it than trying to write all these out. Okay, the 9th term of this sequence, so a is 5, my common difference is negative 5, and my n equals 9 because it's the 9th term. So a sub 9 equals 5 plus n minus 1 times negative 5. So we get 5 plus 8 times negative 5, which equals 5 minus 40, which equals negative 35. The next one is the 8th term of this one. So a is a, and my common difference is b, because I keep adding a b to each thing, and my n is 8. So we're going to write a sub 8 equals a plus 8 minus 1 times my common difference, which is b. So we get 8 plus 7b. And that is your 8th term. Which kind of makes sense because this is the first term. The second term has 1b. The third term has 2 b's. So the 8th term here should have 1 less there. Okay? And the last one we have is this one. My first term is 2 square root of 5. My common difference is 2 square root of 5, because we just keep adding 2 of these. This is like saying 2x, 4x, 6x. So I keep adding 2 x's, but our x happens to be what? Square root of 5. And my n is 7. So we have a sub 7 equals my first term plus 7 minus 1 times 2 square root of 5. So we get 2 square root of 5 plus, this is 6, 12 square root of 5, which equals 14 square root of 5. And that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.